Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Thank you for joining my first painting lesson for the beginners. We'll learn in this video how to paint sky with minimum color palette. We will be using for this Persian blue, chrome orange, cadmium yellow and titanium white. Let's begin. First of all, we apply Persian blue with a little bit some white. Now we are using chrome orange, cadmium yellow and titanium white. Merge it nicely. So now we are going to make birds. Grab some orange and blue. You can make birds as you want. Perfect! You noticed that we did it very easily? I hope you found this video helpful. Please hit the subscribe button if you like it. See you in the next video. Bye everyone!